How to create NFT pixel art collections the easy way. Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to teach you how you can easily make your own pixel art collections that you can turn into an NFT. So if you want to learn more, then just keep on watching. So two of the most popular collections on OpenSea are CryptoPunks and CyberKongs. So those are pixel art style NFTs. So today I am going to teach you how you can make your own and sell it as an NFT. So first on the list is Pixelate. So this is actually a GitHub project based on JavaScript that creates pixel art from an image. So Pixelate, it allows you to define pixel size, create pixel image using a color palette, and convert black and white image to pixelated art. So it's basically a pixel art generator where you can instantly turn any image into a pixel art. So if you don't want to manually create your pixel art on your own, you can just use pixel art generators like this one. So here I'm just adding an image by choosing a file. So here it is. As you can see, it's a very large image, so we're gonna adjust that later. So you can actually adjust the block size up to 25 right there. And as you can see, it's very pixelated already. So I'm gonna set the max height in pixels to 500. And I want to turn this into a palette, so I'm just choosing that option right there. And there you go. You can also change the palette here based on which colors you would want your pixel art to be. So there's lots of options that you can choose from. There. So again, you can choose whichever you want and just download the image. So it's your choice whether to download all of them or just download one. So here I downloaded this one with many colors. So again, you can, upload any image here on Pixelate and it's going to turn it into a pixel art instantly. So here I'm choosing another image and it's similar to the one I uploaded a while ago. So I'm just going to speed through this part so you can see the process of me turning an image into a pixel art through Pixelate. Again, this is a free way to generate your own NFT pixel art collections, so go ahead and try this website out. So another way is by using PixelMe. So PixelMe lets you convert your photos into pixel art. It is an easy to use and free pixel art generator with an interesting web design in the style of pixels. So not only is it available on computer, but it is also available on mobile devices. So the first step that you have to do is to select an image from your library. So here I just selected an image of a fox. So this is the image that I used. Next step is to select the pixel size. So 128 by 128, 64 by 64, 48 by 48, or 32 by 32. So you can choose which one you like the most. I just chose the last option, which is 32 by 32. And after that, you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, or you can download it. So as easy as that, you already have your own NFT art. So there's an extra option here where you can create your own patterns like a background. So you can adjust the settings, the saturation, the color, and all that. So feel free to play around with this create pattern feature on PixelMe. So in case you don't want to use any pixel art generators and you really want to manually draw or create your own pixel art, then the website that I can recommend to you is called Pisco app. So Pisco is a free online editor for animated sprites and pixel art. So everything you create in Pisco can be used for commercial projects like games you're going to develop or even NFTs. So what's great about Pisco is you can work on their website or you can also download their offline applications through Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. So this is what the workspace here on Pisco looks like. So let's explore the buttons at the left side. So we can actually adjust our pixel size or pen size. So right here I'm showing you the comparison between the 1 to 4 pixel size there. And we also have many buttons right here like vertical mirror, stroke tool, circle, shape selection, lasso, lighten, move tool, rectangle, eraser, as well as a paint bucket tool. So here we have color picker, so we can change the colors right here. So you can experiment with the features like what I am doing right here. So I'm just creating this flower-like drawing and I'm changing the colors every now and then. So on the right side, there are also more functions like here, like the layers. You can add more layers or edit the placement of the layers. You can also flip it, rotate it like that. Also clone and align image to the center. And you can also create your own palettes, color palettes. So it would be much easier for you to create your own pixel art. So here I'm just creating a palette of muted pastel colors. So you can customize your own and add as many colors as you want. So just hit save and your color palette is saved. You can also add a new palette, as many as you want again. So here I'm just testing out the new colors that I have collected. So aside from that, we also have the settings or preferences, like the type of background that you would want, like the light mode or dark mode. You could also adjust the layer opacity and the maximum FPS, as well as the color format. You can also enable the grid or disable it and edit the size of the grid. You can also resize here, like the width or the height. And you can also export it as an image or import an existing image right here. So here is the save option. So you can save it on your browser or you can save it offline as a Pisco file. So I just saved it on the browser so I could access it on this browser later on if I do come back to it. So you can also export it as an image, so you can adjust the scale size right here. So you can download it as a GIF or as a PNG or even as a zip file. So you also have the option of importing an image from your computer. So it could help you in tracing out your selected pixel art image. So I just used the same Fox image as a while ago, and you can edit the settings here. You can combine it with your existing image or replace it. So here it is. It is a large image, so you can actually trace over this if you want and make it or turn it into a pixel art. So you can just choose the color picker to choose the exact same color, and you can proceed with your pixel tool. So that concludes our video for today. I hope that you have learned something on how to create your own NFT pixel art collections. So I will see you on the next video, and thank you so much for watching.